What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like a large breakfast. And you?
I like a large lunch.
A large lunch makes me sleepy.
Anyway, what do you recommend for breakfast?
Pancakes are good.
Pancakes. Delicious. What else?
Do you like eggs?
Yes, I like eggs.
You could have some scrambled eggs with toast.
Or a sunny side up eggs. Yummy.
Or sunny side up? Right. Or omelet?
Omelet. I love omelet. Cheese omelet, ham omelet, vegetable omelet.
Mixed fruit. Mixed fruit with yogurt makes a good breakfast.
That's right. And fruit has many vitamins, too. What else?
What else? You can have a cup of coffee and a blueberry muffin.
Muffin and a cup of coffee. Sounds good.
So do you know what you want to get?
Yes, I do, and thank you for your recommendations.
You're welcome. So what will you get?
A hamburger.
A hamburger.
Yes. An ice cream. Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.